Developing now at 5, police say they've uncovered how taxpayer money is being used to fuel Seattle's drug crisis. Investigators identified 18 people they say were fraudulently using food stamp cards to launder money through local businesses. Good evening, I'm Molly Shen.
And I'm Preston Phillips. Police say that cash would then be used to buy drugs in the Chinatown-International District. KOMO's Jeremy Harris live this evening in Seattle with this story. Jeremy?
Preston and Molly, this is a case of follow the money, and investigators say it goes directly from taxpayer-funded benefit programs meant to feed the poor directly onto the streets of Seattle to buy drugs and fuel a cycle of overdose and crime. It's a neighborhood that's seen its shares of highs and lows. After years of enforcement and city cleanups, 12th and Jackson still looks much the same. Police are now going after the money that's being used to traffic drugs here.
His officers observed individuals buying EBT cards.
Seattle police say they've uncovered a crime ring with a simple scheme. People on the street hand over their EBT cards in exchange for drugs or cash at a fraction of the card's value. The buyer then uses that victim's EBT card to buy food or household items and then resells it to other businesses across the region.
Business gives them the cash, and then they take the cash, and then the business keeps the food.
We see the sales happening right in front of our eyes.
Tanya, this is not a surprise to you.
No, this is not a surprise at all. We all know this is happening. We're frustrated.
Tanya Wu is an advocate for Seattle's Chinatown-International District and says rampant EBT fraud has been going on for years.
I'm on 12th and Jackson often, and we always see people asking to buy EBT cards, sell EBT cards for as little as $5.
Charges filed this week against 2 suspects say some of the transactions were worth hundreds of dollars. Prosecutors say, quote, given the rampant risk of overdose, these crimes should be considered a violent offense.
We want it to stop because it's really impacting our local small businesses, our local community. And we kind of see this as cautious optimism, like hopefully something will change, but we haven't seen much of an effect because 12th and Jackson just seems to be growing.
So far, prosecutors have filed felony charges for unlawful trafficking of food stamps against 2 suspects. Though Seattle police say they've identified at least 18 people who were involved in this. And we also know the state of Washington, which administers those EBT benefits, they're also looking into this issue. Reporting live in Seattle, Jeremy Harris, KOMO News.
Jeremy, thank you.